Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel Bazaar Information. Before I start my video, I have already made a video on Alok Industry and Ratan India Power Limited. I specially suggest you to watch the video of Ratan India Power Limited because it has amazing numbers and it is a penny stock and it has a very good management and international investors are also interested in this stock. So I suggest you specially to please watch the video and get a good returns from that penny stock. So now let's begin our video. Before that, if you are not subscriber to this channel, please subscribe the channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Let's begin our video. Today we are going to see in details and talk in details about the Axis Bank quarterly result indicate a trouble for a future ahead. So we are going to discuss on this topic. Indian banks are finding it hard to stay ahead of a pandemic problem. Other than very few top banks like HDFC or ICICI Bank are getting out of it, most of the banks are having problem with the revenue generation and mounting NPS. In this video, we are going to show you a detailed breakout of Axis Bank Q1 2020 results and what prospect that holds for the investors in general. Should you invest in the Axis Bank now or wait? If you are an investor and already invested your money in Axis Bank, stay in this video. We are going to tell in details what will be the target and what you should do at the moment. If you are an investor and looking to invest in Axis Bank, please comment down below what you think about the Axis Bank results and what you think you should hold, buy or sell Axis Bank. And if you are an investor, at last we are giving the targets from the huge broker firm. So please stay in the video. Before that, if you are new to the stock market and you want to open a demat account in the market, let me tell you, Angel Broking is India's leading stock broker with 33 years of experience and trust. If you want to trade in stock market, then the first step you should take is to create an demat account. There are several brokers in the market who can open a demat account, but Angel Broking is the leading one of them. Also, you can get a build your portfolio with the help of artificial intelligence drive ARQ robo order that chooses your salary, age and income and investment. For all this, you have to open a demat account first. I have given the link in the description. There will be no charges for opening an account. We will not take a single penny from you for opening a stock market account in Angel Broking firm. So let us begin our topic about Axis Bank and what were the Q1 result, and if you are an investor you should definitely know the quarter result. So here it is on Tuesday. Axis Bank reported a 19% year on year fall in their net profit at 1112 crores for the June quarter. So for the June quarter they reported a 19% year on year fall of 1112 crore. The bank also reported a net profit of 1370.8 crores for corresponding year quarter last year. Okay, for the last year they reported 1370.8 crores. So let us now talk about NII. What is NII? Bank net interest income. It grew to 20% year on year. It was 6,985 crores during the quarter. But there are also non-interest income like compressing fee, trading profit and miscellaneous income for the June quarter decline that results the decline of 33% to 2,587 crores. Speaking about the operating profit, it also a inch lower. It got a inch lower to by 1% to 5,844 crores. So here let us discuss about the balance sheet. The balance sheet, if you are an investor, first of all you should know this number. Definitely you should know this number. You should know the balance sheet of the bank if you are going to invest in this company or in this stock. So the balance sheet grew around 16% year on year and stood up to 8,97,138 crore as on 30th July 2020. So it grew up to 8,97,138 crores. It's a good number. The total deposit for the bank that grew around is 19%. Total saving account deposit that grew is 15%. Year on year current account deposit grew is 8%, and year on year retail term deposit grew up to is 27%. So if you are investor, you should know this balance sheet number if you are investing in a bank. So let us talk about the next topic. So here you have a question mark. Why the surprise loss? Why there was a surprise loss? And what should an investor do now? Should the investor invest or hold? The main reason for the surprise loss was the provision created by the bank for the COVID-19 pandemic. As you can see from the number, an overwhelming 6,898 crores rupees was kept under the provision, keeping in mind the pandemic. So here the bank, because of the pandemic, it has been given some losses, and it has kept some money and not given loan to the people. But here there is some positive news also in this quarterly result. Bank has clearly said that only 9.7% of the existing loan are under the moratorium now. That it is a good news, especially so because in April the number was almost one third of the total loan. This shows that many people are choosing to repay their loans, and hence the market situation seems to be improving, keeping in mind the pandemic is still dragging on. So the people are paying their loan, they are repaying after 3 months of pandemic. This is a very good news for Axis Bank, that their liquidity they are getting back with the interest moratorium now. That it is a good news, especially so because in April the number was almost one third of the total loan. So here the market seems to understand the bank, and they are repaying the loan as fast as possible, because 3 months they did not pay the loan and it was a loss for the bank. Another reason was also the fact that the bank improved on the non-performing assets NPA numbers. The different broking agency there were also positive on Axis Bank. There are some targets which I'll give you. Different the brokerage firms are there, they set a target for Axis Bank. So here it is a pick. So the targets are like that. Sharekhan order is to buy. They are given the target of 600 rupees. HDFC Securities has given the call of buy, and their targets are 565. Angel Broking accumulated the target of 500 rupees. If you are an investor and you are interested to buy shares of Axis Bank, and you want to buy shares of Axis Bank, so I want to tell you, please go ahead, you can buy shares of Axis Bank, but please make sure that you put a stop loss on everything you buy in stock market. And you are getting Axis Bank at very low price, so it's a good time to buy Axis Bank. You should go and purchase some shares of Axis Bank. Friends, it's time for me to end my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video. Thank you, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Jai Hind.